Hello and welcome to this special feature on the Millar Cosmological model and the Higgs Barbell theory, a bold proposal that just might offer one of the most complete explanations of the universe ever put forward by an independent researcher. I'm Tom Miller, and I'm excited to tell you why this isn't just another theory. It's a truly unique and original candidate for a unified theory of everything. So, what makes this model different? Well, we don't just patch holes or invent mystery particles to force the math to work. No, we go deeper, starting with the very foundation of what mass, gravity, space, and time really are. The Millar cosmological model proposes that these things are actually created, built by the appearance and disappearance of quantum particles we call blips. And every blip leaves a permanent mark on what we call the memory fabric of the universe. And these ideas aren't just theory, they're structured, logical, and testable. In my book, The Gravity Beyond, I lay out the whole journey. Here are just a few of the biggest ideas. The Chrissy still point, the idea that the universe began not with a bang, but with the rupture of a perfect stillness, I named Chrissy. The memory fabric, a living record of every quantum event, reimagining the Higgs field itself. Primordial supermassive black holes, the seeds of the cosmic web, flung faster than light at the birth of the universe. The blip mechanism, the process that creates space and writes time. Photon dragging or frictomass, our explanation of how light loses energy as it moves across the universe. The architecture of expansion, how the universe grows from within, writing new layers of memory. If any of that grabs your interest, you can get your own copy of The Gravity Beyond by contacting me directly through this channel or my website. Now, alongside that, we've built the Higgs barbell theory, which explains the structural mechanics behind mass and gravity. You'll learn about Arnie Barbells, tension bridges connecting particles to the fabric of the universe. Mass as anchored tension. Mass isn't a thing, it's a connection. Fusion as a tension release. Why stars shine and how they reshape the universe. Galactic structures, how small connections build cosmic architecture. Cosmic memory, how every event is recorded in the very fabric of space. Why does it work? Because it unifies quantum physics and gravity without inventing new forces. Explains cosmic structure in a way that feels mechanical, not magical. Provides testable predictions you can actually measure. Scales from the quantum to the cosmic, beautifully and simply. We back all of this with real science, real logic, and real questions the current models can't fully answer. And yeah, I'm not a university professor. I'm not backed by big labs. I'm just a guy who spent 25 years working as a correctional officer, and through that experience, I developed PTSD. But I also developed resilience, curiosity, and the belief that ordinary people can change the world. So here we are, an independent theory, a bold idea, and a community waiting to grow. So if you're still with me, join the journey. Subscribe, share this video, drop a comment. We read every single one. And if you want to dig deeper, contact me to get your copy of The Gravity Beyond. Thanks for being here. And as always, I'll see you on the other side of the fabric.